Alright, so we're moving on to the next project. The next project is our furnace room, which is basically the holding grounds for our luggage, our spray paints, our house paints, some floral decorations, our vacuum cleaner, some of our Christmas decorations. Just got a lot thrown in here and piled down. Got some cake boxes there. And as you can see, this is not a huge space, but we're definitely not making the most of what we've got. Behind here we have some of our suitcases and luggage kind of crammed in there. And then behind the door, kind of a small space here. We've got a lot of things going on. We've got some floral arrangements, we've got our vacuum cleaner, we've got some paints thrown in here. This is our furnace room. This is where we keep all of our stuff we need every once in a while, house cleaning supplies and suitcases and that kind of thing. So my goal today is to get this all taken out, get the floors clean, and then hopefully put it back. So that's what we're gonna start with today. And we'll see how far we can get. This might be a 2-day project, but gotta start somewhere, so.
Okay, so you can see that we have a lot of paint cans. What we did was we sorted through, decided the ones we wanted to keep, and we went ahead and labeled which rooms in the house they belonged to, and then going forward we'll be dating all of the paint cans that we get in the future so we know how long we've had that paint.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please leave it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.